Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. In this video, we're going to take a look at a cleaning case that was sent out to me by Kinghardcase. Now, in this case, you're going to find a lot of cleaning supplies. So if you're a competition shooter, sports shooter, weekend shooter, whatever the case it may be extremely helpful in your cleaning endeavors. Now, what I like about this case right off the bat, you can see we have these nice little rubberized feet. This is the bottom of the case. It also has this integrated handle that you guys see here. It's going to make it really nice for travel. Now, when you flip this guy over, as you can see, it has a very unique way of locking. Okay, so you have this little dial right here, and it has little arrows here facing in two different directions, as you guys can see here. So you basically just rotate this like so, and that's going to open the case up. Okay, so let's take a look at exactly what comes in this case. So once we open this up, pretty much everything you need for all different types of calibers. Of course, it does come with this little kind of like a little starter flyer, just to kind of help you get an idea of what it is that you're going to be working with, which is really nice. I do like this protective shield that comes with it. A lot of these budget cleaning kits don't come with this, and this just makes it easier to keep everything separated. So starting out from one of the doors here, you guys should be able to see we have a variety of different mops in different caliber sizes. These will go all the way down to 22 up to 12 gauge. And then you have your 38, 45, you have a 12 here as well. And as you guys can see, these are really nice little pads. They're metal rods that go all the way through. You have your cleaning brushes. And again, they're going to be labeled out for you, 22, 204, 17, and so on. So you can go through all the different numbered sizes here. It also comes with something that I often look for when I'm cleaning, and that's going to be one of these little picks, because you don't know you need one of these until you need one. But trust me, having one at your disposal is a win. Okay, you have a bunch of little jags here that you can go through and use for different things. You have your pad holders or pullers. That's going to really come in handy. I use those almost daily. Oh, I can't say daily, but I use these very, very often whenever I'm cleaning. You have these little guides, and what these are for is to keep the rod from going all the way, or keep it straight when you press it in through, say, like a rifle or something. So you get a set of those as well. Now it comes with brushes, as you guys can see here. We have our standard silicone brush. We have a brass brush, and we have a steel brush. Okay, so I usually use the silicone brush. There has been occasions where I've needed the brass brush, but again, like I said, easy accessible to be able to just grab these and use them, without having to go through a whole bunch of headaches looking for these things. This is a win. All right, so what else do we have? So this comes with two bottles that you can fill with your solvents and also your lubricants. It comes with a set of tweezers, which really comes in handy again. So they're going to give you a nice stack of pads. You also get this cleaning cloth that comes with it as well. So all of these things are included in this kit. So what else do we get? So we get our rods, as you guys can see here. So you get a variety of different rods. You do get a little brush, one of those little push brushes. You also even get this, which I think is really thoughtful, and that's just to remind you if a gun is safe, you can just drop this into your barrel. Now, as far as the rods go, they are all metal. So these are two different sizes. I want you guys to see that. So you have two different diameters for these rods, okay? So the one that I just grabbed is actually for this one, and they just go together like so. And then at this point, now you can add any of your other tools that you need. So if you're wanting to use one of these push or pull, you can just attach that right onto it, no problem. Having something this efficient really comes in handy, because I'm cleaning such a high variety of different, firearms at any given time. And then I always have family and friends that want to stop by at the last moment and go, Rome, can you do this? Rome, can you do that? Yeah, you know those people. All right, guys. So in a nutshell, you got pretty much everything that you need, but it does have one more little party trick, and that is that this has a built-in stand that you can use either inside of the case, or you can take it outside of the case. So it just kind of pops out like so. Our little rubberized feet underneath here, and this does expand, which is really nice. So if you're working with a rifle, specialty, type of firearm that requires, being able to mount it, this is also going to come in handy. And like I said, all of this is combined, and it's very sturdy. See how I had to press the button to get that to go down? A lot of those that I've seen like this before, you just kind of put a little pressure on it and it'll go down. I like something that's going to lock in place, and I don't have to worry about, my rifle falling forward, worrying about it falling off of a table or desk. And this is really handy. So you could actually use this right in the case if you wanted to, because you could take out your pads and then you could extend this in the case pretty much to whatever size you needed it, and then you'll be able to work from said case without any problem. So that's really, really handy that you have this flexibility. So hopefully this video has been helpful, guys, to give you kind of a rundown on what this whole kit consists of. I really, really like this, and this is something I will be using on a regular basis. This is straight up fire, guys, in a good way. So if you're in need of a kit, you can find this. I'll put links down in the bio, in the description, so you can easily find this product. But again, this is from Kinghardcase, and you guys have seen me review quite a few cases or talk about it, quite a few cases from them. This is something I can definitely get behind, because this is something I can personally use on a regular basis. I like this a lot. All right, show you guys how nice this closes up. Lock that guy in place, grab your handle, and out the door you go. So yes, I like this a lot. All right, guys, I've been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just want to show you a quick overview of this cleaning case, or cleaning kit, should I say, that was sent out to me by Kinghardcase. This is a win. Definitely check it out. All right, guys, I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.